guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have the Police PlayStation from Motor Max. We also have a Kinder Joy surprise at the end. I hope you stay tuned to see what's inside. Let's get a closer look at our set. Oh, it's a great police station. Wow, let's open it up. Let's take a look at our set. Here we have a fuel tank, highly flammable. We have a no parking, stop, direction sign. We have a roundabout sign. We have the American flag. Oh, say, can you see? We have a speed limit sign. We have a nice barrier. We have some safety cones. 1, 2. It comes with policemen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have our police car. With sirens. Isn't that awesome? We have a police van. Look, it's bigger. Woohoo! We also have a helicopter. And we have this awesome police station that has lots of doors. Let's get a closer look. Let's open it up. Oh my goodness! What is in there? We have a chicken in the police station. That is awfully silly. Come out of there. But through the doors, look what could fit. Yay! Comes right through. Let's see about this door. Oh my! Look, it's Olaf. I was just taking a tour of the police station. Police stations are really awesome. I love them so much. Oh, I hear something. I wonder who's coming. Look, it's Chase from Paw Patrol. Hi, guys. I came to check out this awesome police station. I'm so excited to take a look at it. Hi, Olaf. Oh, hi, Chase. What are you doing? Oh, I just came to check out the police station. I love police stations. You should. You're a police dog. That's true. Hey, what does that button do? Oh, psh. Olaf. Well, why did only one side work? Do I need to push it harder? Oh, there we go. Olaf, that's my action badge. I'm not allowed to touch it? Well, I guess it's okay this once. Is it fun up there? It's lots of fun. I think we need to do something extra special. What should we do? Hey, the police station is pretty cool. Let's see the different trucks. Look, we have a helicopter. Let's take a better look at a helicopter. A helicopter is a really strong machine. It likes to fly and it spins its propellers and it can hover in one spot like that. Very helpful in fighting police crime. We love helping out people. Let's not forget our van. The police van is also very important. There's so many reasons we need it. It can carry lots of people going to help out in a certain location, or it could also fit lots of criminals in the back once we catch them. Yeah, that's really cool, Chase. I like it. What is yours? Is yours a van or a car? Well, I'll show you mine in a minute, but let's take a look at the other car. You can see it's a nice car. It's a police cruiser. Oops, sorry about that, Olaf. That's okay. I think I'll come up here, though. Okay. Most police officers have this kind of car, a cruiser, just the right amount for a policeman and his colleague. Woo-hoo-hoo. So, Chase, what's your car like? Yeah, let's bring it out and take a look at it. Look, I am number 2. Do you see that number up there? 2. 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Chase is on the case. Let's go. I want to see the surprise. There's a surprise? Yeah, they're opening a Kinder Joy egg. Really? I love surprises. Should we open it now and see what's inside? Yes, that would be wonderful. Let's go use my police cruiser to go get it. Okay. Wow, I'm riding in a police car. Woohoo! Okay, you're gonna have to get down, Olaf. I don't want to. Well, I don't think I can fit it in without you helping. Help me lift it. Yay! But now I can't fit inside. That's okay, we can go beside it. Okay. Look, the policemen are all guarding our Kinder Surprise egg. Let's see what's inside. On this side we have yummy chocolate. And it comes with a little spoon. That'll be wonderful to eat. Let's see what the surprise is. Has a string and some stickers. Oh look, it's like a keychain. It's a boot. Let's put it together. And we can decorate it if we want to. Let's go ahead and put a sticker on. And there we go. Then you can put your string through. Just like this. Let's see if we can get it through the hole. We got it through. And we can tie it off. And then we have a little keychain. Wow, that's pretty cool. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.